Hello and welcome to SDN Tech Forum. Today we are going to review one awesome AI productivity tool, FinChat.io. And as you have guessed, this is a chatbot, AI chatbot, heavily focused into financial knowledge. Before we go ahead and review this, I want to make this disclaimer that this is not a financial advice and I am not affiliated with the product. All right. So let's go to FinChat.io. Once you come here, you can see FinChat logo, pricing, and you can either log in or sign up for free. I'm assuming we are here for first time, so we will go ahead and sign up for free. You can either create your username and password, or you can use your social account logging like Facebook and Google, etc. Also, once you scroll down, you can see a lot of partners and success stories and what you can do on this website. All right, we will try to do it, explore it by doing this. One interesting thing I noticed recently is this banner. FinChat raises 1.5 million to expand AI power research, so they are getting funding. You can click on this to know the team. A lot of happy faces. Best wishes to team. All right, so what we are going to do to save some time, I have already signed up. Once you sign up, you will be landing to the dashboard. So let me click here. So I am signed in, logged in using my Google login, and this is the landing page dashboard. Here, this entire portfolio or entire screen is divided into three parts. The first one is the very left, as you can see. This is the menu bar, and then in the middle we have any chat GPT like functionality. So here you can say ask a question to get started, some sample questions. So this is very similar like chat GPT. You can come here and ask question, and on the top you can search for any companies related information. Like when you go to Yahoo, you want to know something about one particular company like Apple and Microsoft, you can type the name or you can type the company symbol, and then it will give you all the result. All right, so that is about the middle part. Now towards the right, as you can see, we are in the default dashboard, and you have the capability to edit the dashboard, but what you get from default, and you can add a new dashboard also, but that is part of higher tier plan. This is not available with uh, free sign up. So you get only one default dashboard. And that how dashboard is comprised. You have on the very top indices like S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq, and their real-time value. So you can see that. And then here in dashboard, as you can see, we have some companies already pre-populated. So by default, with the free dashboard or the free plan, you get 25 companies uh, freely populated, 25 major companies freely populated here. But you don't have to stick to this. You can always go back, change this, reorder this, all those things you can do easily. All right. Once you scroll down, you will see some uh, more information, annual and quarterly report, transcript. So will also see what is the upcoming earnings, like when the new upcoming earnings are scheduled. All those information you will see, like it's a complete at a glance or uh, one stop shop, as you can say. So this is our upcoming earning and all those things. You can even go further and get some KPI report. All right, so very busy thing, but you have the flexibility to tier it to your need or tailor it to your need. Then you have the performance. As you can see, same companies, what you can see on the dashboard. Once you click on performance, you can see their performance one day, 1 week, 1 month, and so on, right? Just like how you can see at any other financial like Yahoo or Interactive Broker. Then we have very interesting news section. So these are the recent news for any X, Y, and Z reason, whatever the ticker or companies you have in your dashboard. So if there is any news, recent news, it will show up here. It will pop up here. So if so, what you can do, you can, instead of having this 25 company, random company, you can create your own investment portfolio, and then you can monitor their performance, and you can see the news in real time here, right? So this is like any financial trading platform, especially the right side of it. So you have one page where you have Yahoo and ChatGPT together. All right, let's focus on, and we'll come back to the dashboard again. Let's focus on this menu bar. Here, as you can see, you can go to your dashboard, you can add more dashboards. Then this analysis tab, this is the very powerful one. Here you can see there are multiple things available here, right? The sub tabs, financial ratios, earning, analyst, and all those things. You can click one of these and you will see I am presented with the financials of Apple. Okay, but mind this, I didn't ask for Apple, so why it is giving me Apple financials? Because let's go back to the dashboard again. Because by default you have this Apple on the very top, and when you click financial, it just look at your portfolio and assume that you want to ask for the for Apple. Okay, so and another similarity is look at the submenus up close: financial ratios, segment KPI, earning, and ownership. This part is same as clicking here Apple, and you will see financial, earning, analyst, industry, dividend, ownership. So they are exactly same. Okay, so you can navigate about one company from submenus, or you can navigate from the dashboard itself. Let's go back to the dashboard. All right, so you have analysis and you have dashboard. That's how you can manage. And again, you can select about your company, that what do you want the currency. Obviously this is a US company, so we want to stick to US dollar. But then you can select something like, if you want to see the market cap for big company like this, the billions are making sense, but you can go to mega sorry, millions, or in Ks, right, which make it like really large number, uncomfortable number. So I would like to stick to the billion, and this is the market cap. All right, what you can do, you can edit dashboard, and here what you can do, you can either get rid of, say I don't want, it's not that I don't want, but just for the demonstration purpose, say I don't own any Tesla, so I'm going to get rid of this, and then I can add another company. Also, what you can do, you can move them up and down in the dashboard. So right now Nvidia is very hot, so let me do that. And by doing that, okay, actually I didn't save it. That's what the problem. So let me do that again. Get rid of Tesla and move Nvidia up, and I'm going to say save stock, and then you can see here. Let me also add one stock. I like Cisco Systems. Let me add this, and then it says all the listings, not just in US but everywhere. Okay, I want this, and here it is on the very top, save stock. So this is how I can customize the dashboard for my preferences, or the things what I own, or I'm willing to own, and I'm tracking their performance. Then what you can do, either you can click on those particular stocks, and it will open up this view which is dedicated for that stock. You can look at the financial, right? What is the market cap, size, and all those things. You can look at their earning, and this is very interesting. So this is what you don't get at like sites like Yahoo or other places. You have to particularly search about it, right? But here at one place, you can go back and look at their earning transcript. So earning called transcript. You can look at earning reports. You can see the slides used during those earning transcript. You can even download them. So how amazing and how cool is that? It's like you have all the information available at one place. This was the slide or presentation used during the earning call, and you can go ahead and download it. You can read the transcript, or even you can play it. Let me play it for you. I'm Rob, and I will be your conference operator today. All right, so you can actually listen to the call, and then you can, if you don't want to listen, you just want to focus on analyst question and answer, you can skip the call to question and answer session. Malina, yeah, hurry, Goldman right? Sachs. So you can actually search for the question and answer. Amazing thing is you can actually search during the transcript and say, I want to know DGX platform, how many times DGX was mentioned. So you can search from the transcript. So all those awesome things you can do from the company and earning portfolio. Then there is an analysis. This may not be available for you because just because FinChat gave me a 12 days of free trial, I can see analyst estimate, but this is probably not available in the free tier. Then you have the industry help you uh, figure out what are the competitors or the similar companies in the domain. And as you can see, Nvidia, we have AMD, we have Broadcom, who are in the similar business. So it gives you an idea how this company is faring compared to their competitor and the um, counterparts, right? Then we have the modeling. This is the little bit advanced stuff that when you can create your own model, you can test your strategies and all those things. The one beautiful thing is dividend. It can show you the dividend growth. Many a time I have seen this problem that some companies, they're paying dividend, but they don't pay dividend regularly, and finding that information, sometimes it's really hard when they are paying dividend, when they have stopped paying dividend. This website does a very good job of that because the AI chatbot actually understand the context and update the information. Okay, my favorite is ownership. Why? Because I always look for this information, that what is the ownership of this company or this stock looks like, how much insiders are owning, how much institutional investors are buying into this equity, because those are probably the long-term holders, right? So you can see all this insider and institutional holding in ownership tab, and I really like this. Then you have the filings are very interesting because if any material changes happen, company has to report and they have to file different kind of filings. Without going into detail, all these filings, written recent filings, are available here, and what you can do, you can just click on that and you can read about the filing here, just from here only, without leaving the page, without going to Security Exchange and Commission website, and you can get all those information here. So that is really amazing about the filings. All right, so this is how you can basically work about one particular stock and other things. Now let's plug this with ChatGPT. So let me, it is actually asking you, it is actually showing you what kind of questions you can ask. Let me say, what are the near term competitors of NVIDIA, and when they can catch up? Because NVIDIA is undisputed leader in GPU technology. So let me ask this hypothetical question and see what it comes with. And this is just a random thought in my mind which I ask, and see, here it is replying, NVIDIA Corporation faces competition from various semiconductor companies and this and that, right? And then it is actually hinting who can come close. AMD, Qualcomm, Lam Research, some of these company I don't know even if they know what they do. But here, as you can see, and then it also tell you the source and this. And what I really like is all this thing, it is showing you here, NVIDIA Corporation peer comparison and pairing. And this finally, when we scroll at the very bottom, related question: which companies are considered the closest competitor to NVIDIA in near term? The factor can contribute to the potential catch up. So this is kind of like it is not just answering the question, but it is prompting other questions which where you can build on top of your. So many a time what happen with this AI chatbot, you don't know what to ask. That is the big question, and that's where the the skill of prompt engineering comes handy. The beauty of this FinChat.io, it also help you to ask right question. Like maybe this is the right question to ask. What factors contribute to the potential catch up of NVIDIA competitor? So what they can do to catch up. And then I can just click on that and you can see it has given me a nice answer and further questions on top of that. Okay, so it just not reply to your question, but it also help you ask uh, intelligent questions. All right, so this is amazing. And now as you can see, this is the chatbot. This is the uh, dashboard side of like a particular equity, and analysis submenu is similar to your dashboard. So let's go back and baseline this. We go back to dashboard. Okay, now let's look at charting tab. Charting, here what you can do, you can draw a chart of two or more companies. So here you can see I have one company like Fisker, and I was looking into EV, what's going on there. So I have two companies, Fisker and Lucid, and I just wanted to draw some charts. Not very intelligent, but as you can see, one company is in a flat line versus one is experiencing a lot of ups and downs. So that's kind of like a chart comparison chart, and all those things you can draw. Oh, right. And then screener, this is the advanced stuff. So if you know, you can build your own strategy and compare stocks against your strategy. So those kind of things you can do at screener. Then investor holding, super investor, hedge fund letters. So let's look at them one by one. Investor holding, and we talk about Berkshire Hathaway. Then you can click. So this is the investor holding. I don't know what else you can do here. All right. So let's go to the next, super investor. All right. Some super investors are here. You can probably read about them and where they are invested. Charlie Munger is very highly recognized and a respected investor, just like Warren Buffett. So you can read about him. And my favorite is hedge fund letters. Hedge funds are like a managers who are managing big funds. They write letters to their client for their client, and all those letters you can read here, like Hindenburg Research, uh, who generally write like in investigation kind of report. You can find all those reports, hedge fund letters here from FinChat.io directly. All right. So that's about investor. Then earning, very important. It tells you the earning calendar, like all the upcoming earnings you can see here, and you can also search for whatever company you are invested in, and to know when their earnings are pending. Like say, for example, if you want to know when Walmart earning is pending, you can see the quarter ends. It is available in May, uh, 16th of May, right? So that's when the earning is pending. Finally, we have looked at earning resources. So you can write the blocks, you can see the some formulas, and all those things are available. Finally, here, as you can see, we have three things. Help center. Let's click on help center. Get started with our helpful tutorial. So pretty much what we discussed in review, You can come and read here. You can also read about the plans. How can I get FinChat Pro for free, right? So, and we will look into the plan and pricing. What you can do, one more thing is brand kit. You can actually uh, use or buy a enterprise subscription and put your own branding on top of it. So it won't be finchat.io anymore. It will be whatever company you want to call, but uh, underlying it's powered by finchat.io. So you can actually put a rebranding on top of it. Well, they are very flexible in terms of that. Then look at my account. Okay, welcome back SGN Tech Forum, because I signed up with my Google account, and right now I am in pro trial. But if you are in free free tier, you won't have these many monthly prompts. And what are these prompts? Every time you ask one question here, you are going to lose one prompt. So this is actually the number of questions you can ask, or number of lines you can converse with finchat.io. Okay, and I am in pro, that's why probably I have this huge number. But if you are in free tier, you will have 25 questions only. All right, and this get exhausted monthly, so it's not like calendar month. It is on prorated term, so you can start anytime you want. You don't have to wait for the start of the month. All right, so thank you, finchat.io, to give me this upgrade, and I'm happy that I'm reviewing this at the right time. All right, let's go and just finally click on a couple of more things. Chat history. Here, as you can see, all your chat histories will be here. Very nice. And then what you can click on this v1.218. This is the version, and how the changes are happening. All those things you can see here. Perfect. So let me get rid of this. All right. So let's talk about the things here. This is the help center, of course. This is the notification. So the notification is, why this notification? So it is assuming that you are holding these accounts or these stocks in your dashboard. So any activity related to the dashboard stocks, if there is any new reports or new earning call, you will see here. So we have Nike uh, earning call happen, and that's why we can see that in notification. What else you can do? You can click here, become an affiliate, and unlock pro for free. Before we do that, let's look at the financial different pricing tier. And for that, what you can do, we can go back to the non-subscribe page. Probably this is the best place. And here you can see, so you have the free tier, which is obviously free, $0, and you can only see 5 years of financial data and 25 AI prompts per month, one dashboard, and 30 dashboard items. So you can have as many as 30 stocks. Then if you upgrade to plus, which is $29 per month, you can choose yearly and save 2 months of that money. But what happened here, you have 10 years of financial data and 100 AI prompt per month. If you upgrade to Pro, which actually I'm running as a trial, you will have 20 years of financial data, 10 plus year of KPI data, and unlimited AI prompt. So that is the beauty, unlimited AI prompt, which is amazing, and it is a little bit pricey. And finally, we have After Pro Enterprise segment. That is, you can build your own product, you can put your own branding, and also good things you can do. All right. So I'm not into sales. I'm not going to suggest what you want to do. However, what I want to request is, I'm going to share my uh, URL, which is available in the description section. So if you like this review, you want to try it your own, please use the referral link to sign up, and enjoy finchat.io. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in next video.